Tell me, in your opinion, what are three main key factors to give a good presentation? Anyone?
Confidence.
Confidence.
Content.
Content.
Body language.
Very important.
And the content we want to share. The way of
Content, she mentioned, yeah.
the way of communication.
Understanding the audience, content. What else?
Body language.
Body language, very important. Unfortunately, people who are attending this workshop online, I don't have much for them to offer because they cannot come on stage to give presentation, but they are just listeners. So some content and courses are not good for Harvard system, you know.
Facing the audience.
Facing the audience. Okay, facing the audience. Then response. ये होगा, मैं डरता हूँ, ये होगा, होने दीजिए. It's very interesting that audience are they don't want to see you failing. Believe me, in every situation, audience they are not interested in your personality, who you are, what you are saying and trying to convey. So they are most interested in that. If they don't want to see you failing, क्या कुछ कह रही थी? Speak up. अगर कोई thought है, कोई idea है, question है, तो please ask. क्योंकि इसका formal QA session तो होगी बहुत. For example, for me, when I was a student, I was very introvert. Living within my own shell, I don't want to face or see people, and I have a limited circle of friends. With whom I was comfortable, irrespective of gender. जिनका मुझे पता था कि मेरा मजाक नहीं उड़ाएंगे. ठीक है, I have very limited skills, and I hate teaching. अभी मैं teaching को I'm not a professional teacher, but what I learned from all those 35 years in various companies, so they groomed and polished me a lot. Apart from my subject, because when I started my career, it was in a small quality assurance lab, and like every student, I was very comfortable in doing my own work in the lab. And when it comes to giving some results and presenting something, I was very nervous. Okay? And then I learned how to overcome these issues. So as you can learn every day, and remember that lifelong student is a successful person. अगर आप सीख नहीं रहे होते किसी भी सिचुएशन से. Recently, I conducted an audit, HSE compliance audit for a very big organization in Karachi. I will not name it. And I learned a lot. That was a audit based on 4 months. So we studied their systems and procedures, met people, C-suite people, C-level people, down to the field engineers, field operations staff. So I learned a lot from them. So if you stop learning, so then you will stop growing. Okay? So one should be a lifelong student. But simultaneously, you should unlearn, which is obsolete or outdated. You know what the problem is that कि हम पुराना वाला जो content है उसको हम निकालना नहीं चाहते और फिर नया सीखना चाहते हैं तो we keep pouring and pouring and pouring, and then time comes when things overflow. You know, there is a vessel. If you keep pouring, you're not draining something out of that. So there will be a stage when things will overflow. You will not gain anything. Then I would be very careful about the people. कौन कौन मुझे देख के जो है ना वो मेरा मजाक उड़ाने के मूड में या हंस रहा है, ठीक है? Such things make you more scary. I think people will keep coming and coming. Actually, there is a problem with me. I am very bad, and I have a very short temperament against those who are not keeping things on time. मैंने कहा भी था कि यार थोड़ी डिस्ट्रैक्शन होती है और आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद द पीपल हु आर नॉट प्लेइंग ऑन टाइम.
I think the latecomer didn't realize that they are late.
इससे नेशनल बिहेवियर आगे से फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. कोई बात नहीं, 10 बजे का टाइम 10:15 पहुँच जाएंगे, 10:30 पहुँच जाएंगे. Very interesting to share. Once I was conducting a session on time management, people were as late as 25 to 30 minutes. And उसमें मेरे पास zero tolerance थी कि 1 मिनट के ऊपर कोई अगर आएगा तो out. You know, the content was time management and people were coming late. So shows their interest. As I mentioned earlier, people want to see you succeed. So audience are very sensitive. They can assess and feel what's going on in your mind. देखिए वो पढ़ लेते हैं आपको. They are good face readers. ठीक है? तो उससे भी नर्वस नहीं होना है. देखिए, you know what to convey, you know how to communicate. Simple है. And negative and positive vibes, two-way, coming from the audience and going to the audience from presenter. ठीक है? अब अगर प्रेजेंटर जो है वो थोड़ा सा नर्वस है, शेकी है और पता नहीं क्या करें. बाज़ लोगों को तो धक्का दे के स्टेज पे ले आते हैं. पीछे में धक्का दे, आ जाओ, मैं नहीं आना चाह रहा भाई. होता है ना? And very few will volunteer themselves to make a presentation. अच्छा यार, मजबूरी है, करना पड़ेगा. बॉस ने क्या दिया, प्रोफेसर ने क्या दिया, करना है. And can you recall when you were a student, did you come across some project which encouraged you to make a presentation? किस स्टेज पे पहली वो आप कॉलेज स्कूल के बाद कॉलेज में, यूनिवर्सिटी में, इवन मास्टर्स लेवल पे ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज थी क्या?
Yes, I have first experience in my university.
Okay.
I was in second year and I have to present.
Your topic, subject.
No, it was a general topic on fruits.
On foods also.
On fruits.
Yeah. And what did you learn from that?
I learned that.
What was your first experience? Please share.
First, when you face the audience, you feel scary. But when you move on, you start doing it. At the end, you are more relaxed.
Relaxed. What makes you relaxed?
Because it's all done.
All done. Sense of achievement.
Yes.
Isn't it? Then it would be a good idea to see others' presentation. It's a TED Talk. Have everybody gone through this TED Talk? कितने लोगों ने देखा ये? So what's the benefit of that? Because this is for a platform for amateurs. Some professionals also join that platform. But TED Talk and similar talks, Toastmasters Club, and some